Hello students. So we are going to start one new chapter, linear equations. Now the word linear equation. What do you understand by the word linear equation? Linear equation is basically an algebraic equation. Algebraic equation which involves equality of two mathematical expression involving at least one variable. This is just the definition, but I will be explaining you what exactly the linear equation. Here two words are there. One is linear, another is equations. Linear means power of x or the variable will be 1. Power of x or the variable will be 1. If I am saying one example, 7 minus 3x equal to 12, or I can write it as 13. 7 minus 3x is equal to 13. So according to the definition, an algebraic expression. This is an algebraic expression involving equality. Here the sign is equality sign is there. So if I am saying expression involving at least one variable, here variable is x. We can substitute any value of x, but we have to keep in mind for one value of x, left side will be equal to right side. LHS will be equal to RHS. So this is basically an algebraic or a linear equation. Linear equation means here the power of x is 1, x to the power 1, that's why I am writing it as x only. I am not writing x to power 2. Now the solution part, what is known as solution? If I am saying x plus 3 is equal to 5. I am saying what about solution? What is known as solution? Here first of all it is a linear equation because the power of x is 1. And equation why I am saying because here equality sign is there. Two things you have to keep in mind. Linear means power of x or the variable. Suppose here variable is x. You can take one more equation like this y plus 2 is equal to 3. This is also a linear equation in terms of variable y. This is linear equation in terms of variable x. So from here we are getting that the left side we have to prove. Linear equation means we have to prove left side. If I have to prove about solution, what is known as solution? Means left side will be equal to right side. Right side is 5. Then we have to think that what value of x will be putting that the left side will be also equal to 5. If I be taking the value of x is 2, 2 plus 3 will be equal to 5. So 5 will be equal to 5. Means the value of x in this condition will be 2. But how we are calculating it? As we know in the earlier or the previous classes, plus 3 is there. Means the terms which is associated with the variable. Here plus 3 is there. If I am taking it to right side, it will become minus 3. So from here we are getting x is equal to 2. This is the value of x, and x is equal to 2 if I am substituting here. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is equal to 5. Means x is equal to 2 is the solution. Means what value of x will be taking? So that left side 2 plus 3 means it is becoming 5 equal to the right side value. Here right side value is 3. Right side value is 3 it is given. Y plus 2 is given. Y plus 2 is 3. What value of y will be taking so that it will be equal to right side which is 3. If I am taking here 1 plus 2 will be equal to 3. So the value of y will be y. So y will be 1. So y is equal to 1 is the solution of this question. So I can write it another way also if I have to solve. I am not solving by hit and try method. This is hit and try method. I am taking one value, continuously putting some value or substituting some value. But if I have to think about how it is working, plus 2 is there. If I am taking to right side, it will become minus 2. Means the terms which is associated with the variable, you have to keep the variable always separately. So from here we are getting y is equal to 1. Now we will be discussing questions, exercise 5A questions. So first of all we are going to discuss Okay. Now we are going to discuss exercise 5a. So moving forward, we will be discussing question number 1 bit 1. Three x minus 5 is equal to x plus 3. This is given. Now I have to solve this equation. See, this is the bigger number. This is associated with variable, but this is bigger number. 3x. I will be taking this x to left side. It will become minus x. And this minus 5 I will be taking to right side. It will become plus 5. As I told earlier that you have to separate variables and you have to separate constant. So 3x minus x is 2x. 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to 4. Now the value of x is 4. If I will be substituting x is equal to 4 on this and this side, means left side will be equal to right hand side. I can say that x is equal to 4 is the solution. Now moving to question number 2, bit 2. This question is given to us. 4 of x plus 6. Now we have to think that 5x, 7 into x is 7x, 7 into minus 2 is minus 14. And from here we are getting 3 minus, this will be 4x, minus 4 into 6 will be minus 24. We are getting. Now you have to think, we have to bring all the variables on the same side. This minus 4 will be bringing on the left side. 7 plus 5 is 12x plus 4x. I am taking this minus 14 to right side. It will become plus 14 plus 3 minus 24. We are getting. 12 plus 4 is 16x. 16x is equal to 17 minus 24 is minus 7. So x we are getting minus 7 by 16. This is the value of x we are getting, minus 7 by 16. So this is question number 2. Now moving to question number 3, bit 2. Again I will be discussing 3 bit 2. So in this question, 1 by 2 of x plus 3 and 2 minus 2 by 5 of x minus 3 equal to x plus 9. Equal to x plus 9 is given to us. This term is given, so we will take 10 as the LCM. 2 and 5 LCM will be 10. 5 will be multiplied to x plus 3. As we know how to calculate LCM. And this 2 will be multiplied to minus of 2 is 4 of x minus 3 will be equal to x plus 9. I have taken first LCM, 2 and 5 LCM is 10. Now, this 10 will be multiplied, 5 into x is 5x, 5 into 3 is 15, minus 4 into x is minus 4x, minus 4 into 3, minus 3 is plus 12. We have studied about this in fundamental operations. That's why we studied that chapter first. Minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12. 10 into x plus 9. From here we are getting 5x minus 4x is x. And from here x plus 27. Here it is 10x plus 90. So from here this 27 This minus plus 90 will be going to left side, it will become minus 90. And this is 10x minus 9x is equal to minus 63. X is equal to minus 63 divided by 9, which is coming out to be minus 7. So we have discussed up to question number 3, bit 2. Now we will be moving to question number 3, question number 4. So we will be proceeding to question number 4. We have discussed all the questions up to. So question number 4, bit 3 we are going to discuss. So in the question 6 divided by x plus 7. 2 divided by x minus 3. Now what we will be doing? Cross multiply. As here is also constant, there is variable and constant term. So we can cross multiply 6 into x minus 3 will be equal to 2 into x plus 7. 6 into x is 6x minus 18 will be equal to 2 into x is 2x. 2 into 7 is 14. So from here we are getting 6x. This will be coming to 6x minus 2x will be equal to 14 plus 18. We are getting 4x equal to 32. X we are getting equal to 32 by 4, which is equal to 8. Same process here we are doing for same repeating. We are repeating same process. We are dividing 32 by 4 means we are getting 8. Is it clear? So we will be doing now question number 5 bit 2. In 5 bit 2 it is given 4x plus 7 divided by 2x plus 6 equal to 6x plus 5 divided by 3x plus 5. This. Now, what is difference between this and this question? Here only constant is given, so we are multiplying constant with this term. Now in this, both the expressions are given. We will be multiplying both the algebraic expressions. 4x plus 7, as we have studied about how to multiply, into 3x plus 5. And from here 2x plus 6 into 6x plus 5. 2x plus 6 into 6x plus 5. See how I am multiplying 4x, I will be writing then this whole term 3x plus 5. Then I will be writing 7, then 3x plus 5. 2x I am writing, then whole thing 6x plus 5. And I am writing plus 6, then 6x plus 5. So 4x into 3x plus 5, then 7 into 3x plus 5 whole thing. Now if I do multiplying 4x into 3x is 12x square. 4x into 5 is 20x. 7 into 3 is 21. 21x. 7 into 5 is 35. This term we have multiplied. Now right side equal to 2 into 6 is 12x square. 2 into 5 is 10x. 6 into 6 is 36x. 6 into 5 is So this term we have got. Now from here 12x square and here is also 12x square. Means the sign will be same. So you can cancel directly. So this and this will be cancelled because if I am bringing to left side, it will become minus 12x square, or this term I am bringing to right side, it will become minus 12x square. 20 plus 21x is 41x plus 25 equal to 10x plus 36 is 46x plus 20. Now this term 35 minus 30 is equal to 46x minus 41x. 5 is equal to 5x. X will be equal to 1. So this we have got the answer, x is equal to 1. This is question number 5. Now we are going to discuss question number 6. So we are going to discuss 6-bit one. 6-bit one, it is given to us 3 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 3 equal to 4 by x minus 2. Now we can take LCM. LCM will be x minus 3, x minus 1 into x minus 3. This is the LCM. Now 3 into x minus 3. This will be multiplied because x minus 1 is already given. You have to make this whole thing x minus 3. If I be multiplying here x minus 3 means you have to here also you have to multiply x minus 3. That's where we are calculating. That is the concept of LCM. If here x minus 3 is given, you have to make x minus 1 into x minus 3. Here I will be multiplying x minus 1. So in the numerator also I will be multiplying x minus 1. Or you can see that what term is missing here. X minus 3 is written, x minus 1 is not written. 4 by x minus 2. So from here we are getting 3x minus 9, x minus 1. This is special product as we have studied. This we can write as x square, then minus b plus of minus a plus b, minus 1 minus 3 into x. I am writing a plus b. A value is minus 1 and b value is minus 3 plus of minus 1 into minus 3. And here we will get 4 by x minus 2. So for 3x plus x is 4x minus 10. And from here we are getting x square minus 4x plus 3. And from here we are getting 4 by x minus 2. This term we are getting. Now we can write it as this 4x minus 10 into x minus 2. This x minus 2 will be multiplied with 4x minus 10. And this 4 will be multiplied with x square minus 4x plus 3. Multiplied. Now from here we will be getting 4x into x minus 2 minus 10 into x minus 2 will be equal to, I can multiply here 4x square, 4 into x square is 4x square, 4 into minus 4 is minus 16x, and 4 into 3 is 12. So from here we are getting 4x into x is 4x square, 4x into minus 2 is minus 8x, minus 10 into x is minus 10x, minus 10 into minus 2 is plus 20. For x square minus 10x, 16x plus 12. Same term is there, you see that plus sign. Sign of both the terms is same. They can cancel directly. 4x square and 4x square. Minus 8x and minus 10x. It is written minus 18x, it will become minus 18x plus 20 is equal to minus 16x plus 12. So from here we will get 20 minus 12 will be equal to 18x minus 16x. So from here we will get 4 is equal to 8 is equal to 2x. So from here we are getting x is equal to 2. Means simple solving. We are taking the variable same like terms on the same side, and then that way we can substitute. So this is question number 6 bit 1. Now we are going to discuss 7 bit 1. So 7 bit 1. X minus 7 divided by x minus 4 plus 2x plus 5 divided by x plus 2 equal to 5. This is given. First step is taking LCM. We'll be taking LCM. Again we take LCM will be x minus 4 into x plus 2. This will be the LCM. And from here 3x minus 7 will be multiplied with x plus 2. And this x minus 4 will be multiplied with 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. This is x minus 4. Now again we can multiply 3x. 3x into x is 3x square. 3x into 2 is 6x. Minus 7 into x is minus 7x. Minus 7 into 2 is minus 14. 2x into x is 2x square. 2x into minus 4 is minus 8x. 5 into x is 5x. 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. Equal to, this whole term will be multiplied with 5. And we know that this is also of the form special product. A value is minus x minus a and x plus b. So we can write it as x square, first term will be x square, then I am writing a plus b as I am saying that x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. You have to substitute the value of a and b as it is. A value is minus 4 and b value is 2. So you have to substitute as it is, minus 4 plus 2 into x. Then a value is minus 4 and b value is 2. Or you can simply multiply also. Just I am showing you that we can do it by special product also. 3x square. Group the like terms together. 6 minus 7 is minus x. Minus 8x plus 5 is minus 3x. Means minus 4x will be left. If we will be calculating all the things, 6 plus 5 is 11. And this is minus 8x and minus 7x is minus 15. 11 minus 15 is minus 4x. I calculated directly. 14 minus 14 and minus 20 is minus 34. and from here this is coming out to be, from here also we are getting 3 plus 2 is 5x square, 3x square, and here it is 2x square, we are getting 5x square. And now we will calculate 5 into x is 5x square, and this is minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2x, minus 2, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus 2x into 5 is minus 10x, minus 4 into 2 is minus 8, minus 8 into 5 is minus 40. So we can cancel these two terms directly. We will be bringing this 10x to this side. 10x minus 4x will be equal to 34 minus 40. So from here we are getting 6x is equal to minus 6. So x we are getting equal to minus 1. So this is question number 7 bit 1. So moving on to question number, so we'll be moving to question number 8 bit 2. Okay. So 8 bit 2 we are going to see. Now in this question x square minus 9 is given. You can recognize it is in the form of a square minus b square. Factorization you have just studied in this factorization chapter. A square minus b square is a minus b and a plus b. X square minus 9 when you are seeing, you can write it as x minus 3 and x plus 3, because this is basically of the form, this is x square minus of 3 square, a square minus b square. So we can write a minus b and a plus b. So from here this term is given, and this term also we are able to see. Means our question will be easy. X by x square minus 9. If I be taking this term to right side, 4 by x plus 3 minus of 2 by x minus 3. So from here, if I, this is x square by x square minus 9. Implies sign we have to give. Because in between when equal to sign we are using, we can be able to give implies sign. This is x plus 3 into x minus 3. And this the 4 can be multiplied with x plus x minus 3. And 2 is multiplied with x plus 3. So from here what we are getting, this is x by x square minus 9, and from here 4 into x is 4x, 4 into minus 3 is minus 12, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. This is a square minus b square, x square minus 9. So from here these two terms will be getting cancelled. Directly denominator we can cancel because this will be going in the numerator. So we can cancel directly the denominator. If it is not connected by plus 2 or minus 2 or any term, if it is connected, then we have to take first LCM, then we can cancel. Now from here what we are getting, x is equal to 4x minus 2x is 2x, and this is minus 18. If I am taking this to minus 18 to left side, it will become plus 18, and this is 2x minus x. So from here we are getting x is equal to 18. So this is the answer of question number 8 2. So we have completed this exercise. If you are still having any doubt, so you can ask us in our WhatsApp group, and you can solve the remaining questions. Okay, thank you and have a